Oh, welcome back to Empty Wallet Chevy Owner channel. Yeah, I went to Advance to get the vent tube hose and the filler neck hose, but they said they couldn't get either one. And then I need another clamp. I buggered out with all the fuck. I pulled the screw out and couldn't get it to loosen up, so just fucking jerked it off. But I come back and try to get this last line off for today. And then I don't know if you can see it. So I got so far, I don't know if you can see it. But I'll try to get that last line off and see if I can't get this tank down and out. But they're calling for another mix tomorrow around 3 o'clock. So hopefully it don't do anything. But let me go ahead and try to get this line broke loose and see how far I can get. But yeah, this thing's just been a pain all day and fighting me. And but that's the first time I ever done it, so I'm learning. That's what it's all about. Do it yourself. Learn what you're doing, and next time it'll be easier. Maybe not on this, but maybe on something else. But yeah, I guess that's about it. The last line. Alright, I'll check back, or y'all come back. Thanks. Hey, welcome back. It's Empty Wallet Chevy Owner. Got the tank down and out. I'm just now cleaning up around the sending unit, because I don't want, when I open that, I don't want all that dirt and debris to fall into my tank. But there was a bunch of gravel and little rocks down in those crevasses. Like my fancy word, crevasses. But I don't know, I can't really get in between the lines there. But yeah, I called Advance and O'Reilly's asking if they had these those hoses, and they said they didn't have them, but I gotta carry them up there and they match it to the hoses they have, and then you just cut them to fit. But I don't know why they didn't tell me that. Had to go onto a group and ask them, and then I went on to O'Reilly's website and it showed a bunch of different ones that has the ripples in it, like the radiator hoses. I guess they're like a flex kind of deal. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace them because this one split when I pried it off, and they're old and dry. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up and vacuum that. See little gravels. So yeah, I need little O-rings there. But yeah, just using a brush and cleaning it up, and then vacuuming it off. Oh, there's so much dust in this thing now. I need to clean it. Maybe there's dust, I don't know. But hopefully, you can see pretty good there. Alright, keep watching, keep checking the progress. Oh, the battery's flashing, but got the sending unit out, and I'm just looking at that motor. Is this the same thing? And can y'all tell me about that thing on the bottom there? And is it the same as that? I'm guessing this hose goes up in there. It's got screws there, and this one don't. It's the same length, but I didn't see anywhere that comes off, or if I could reuse that, or if I need that. But I guess it maybe the plug-in's the same. Otherwise, it looks pretty clean on there. Tank looks decent, I guess. I don't see any too much in there. But I did vacuum that off again, but it's still a little dirty. But I'll wipe it off when I put the new seal on there. But yeah, I've got the sending unit out. And it's late. I don't know, it's after 6. But I'm not going back to AutoZone today. Get your nose off, girl. Dog's out here as I put her back in so she won't get around it. Yeah, she's going on now, but yeah, I might just have to cover this up for tonight. Hope we don't get any moisture. And take that with me tomorrow. And then I got my hoses off that I'm going to take tomorrow to fit them. See if I can get them matched up and get new ones. And I don't know, I'll ask them about that or not, or do some more research on Google, or check around, or look and see what parts this one gave me. If the parts match or something. But yeah, that's it right there, boys. Sending unit, fuel pump, wires. Thing was aggravating, but shit, I probably got a half a tank of gas in there. But I'm gonna hand pump it out. Put this son of a bitch back in. Holy fuck. I didn't realize it. I mean, I knew it'd be heavy, but I didn't realize how awkward it was gonna be. But it's gonna be hard to get it back in there with that much fucking gas. Well, hell, I thought I had less than a quarter. And then I stopped and put 10 in. Hell, that's 3, probably about 3 gallons more, probably about 4 gallons, well, probably 3.5 gallons more. And then my brother said a fucking gallon weighed like 6 pounds, so I don't know how to turn that and get it out. I beat on it and got it out. It was full of rocks and gravel and sand, so it took a little bit of persuading. But holy fuck, is it ever cold out here. I think I'm gonna call it done because my hands are freezing. Fuck this. Alright guys, we'll see what tomorrow holds. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Empty Wallet Chevy owner. Couldn't find my head mount or my chest mount for the fake GoPro, but ran out of time yesterday, so I just stuck the sending unit back in. But I'm gonna be messing with that gas a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my respirator on and got my blue gloves on. But I couldn't find a mount for the camera, so I just pull it out and work on it, and then show you the progress as I go along. But I don't know how many gallons I got in here, but I went ahead and got a 5-gallon bucket for like $3 because I wasn't gonna pay $20 for a fucking gas jug. We went and got the fill neck hose. That was like $25 from Napa, or $26. It was still cheaper than some of the online sites. And then I got the gas rated vent hose also. Have to get in 6-inch length. So I needed to like cut that into 2, and then I got to get a 13.5 or so piece cut out of it, out of the vent neck hose. And I went back and got the let's get this real cheap. Cheap cycling hose. Where's my damn oh, right here it is. Went back and got the screen. Just slides on the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get all that put back in because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I want to try to have that back up under the truck. But Gotta get the gas out and get that changed. And, oh, I got my hat on, get my respirator on. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and then get ready to do a few things, and then I'll come back and show you. Appreciate y'all watching. Now I got the old one off. Got a few extra pieces that it don't look like I'll need. Not sure if that's gonna fit on this other one. Somehow it does. It must go on there. This is on the bottom there. There's one on that one. And then I guess this is the new piece for to replace those two pieces. It looked like that wire would gonna go right into the new one. But I pushed the old hose on there and it's this filthy, so I gotta clean that off. But it's a little bit different. Getting the hose clamps instead of this plastic deal. So I'll go ahead and get this new one on there. Alright, I got the screen on and the hose on. Got one of the hose clamps on. Got the screen on there. Right, I'm going to put the screen down through there and pull it through. Set it in. So let me try that. No, I guess that didn't work. I had to pull it back off. Couldn't turn it once I got it in there. It was pretty tough getting back off, but try it this way. This has got to go on. This has got to go on. I just got to put it on. Just got to get it on there first, on that metal line. Let me try that. Yeah, it took me a couple of tries. Took me a couple of tries because I wasn't for sure how it went on there. And then I had a hard time getting that up there far enough to be able to get that little rubber on. Got that all ready to go back in there. Still pretty dirty and rusty, but yeah, boys, it's fucking freezing out here. But trying to drain that water. I mean, trying to drain that gas out. So it'll be a lot easier going in. But holy fuck, is that slow, and my camera keeps cutting off. It's so cold out here. And supposed to damn rain tomorrow, so I like to get that sending unit back in. At least get it slid back up under the truck, or at least get it covered up. But damn, that thing